Stop treating your notes like a digital junk drawer. Most of us are just hunting for a location where our ideas can actually breathe. We are stuck in this endless loop of moving from one app to another every few months. Two names keep popping up in every conversation lately. One is a sleek and polished machine. The other is a massive and infinite toolkit. These are not just different apps. They represent two entirely different philosophies of how a human should interact with information. Let us look at the sleek one first. This app is built for people who hate friction. You open it up and it just feels right. The design is clean and elegant. It looks like it belongs in a design magazine. It does not ask you to install anything extra or watch hours of tutorials. It has the latest and most powerful artificial intelligence models built right into the core of the experience. You can talk to your notes directly. You can use your voice to record long thoughts while you are walking. The transcription is very accurate. It captures the nuance of your speech. It does not just spit out a wall of broken text like the voice memos on your phone. Everything is encrypted from end to end. Security is a massive selling point here. Nobody can peek at your journal entries or your business plans. Not even the people who build the app can see what you wrote. But this level of convenience comes with a steep price tag. It is about $10 every single month. There is no way around it. No free version exists for the long term. You get 2 weeks to fall in love and then you have to pay up. Now consider the alternative. This other app is a different beast entirely. It is a powerhouse for the person who wants to own every single bit and byte of their data. Your notes are stored as simple text files on your own device. They are not trapped in a proprietary cloud server somewhere. This gives you total control over your history. If the company disappears tomorrow, your thoughts stay with you forever. That is a huge deal for the digital hoarders and the privacy advocates among us. It works perfectly offline, but it is a blank slate that requires a lot of work. There are thousands of plugins created by the community. You can turn it into a task manager or a complex database. It is free forever for personal use. That sounds like a dream, but there is a hidden cost. I call it the tinkering trap. You can spend 80 hours just setting up your workspace. You might spend more time organizing your notes than actually doing the work. It is a massive learning curve that never really ends. Some people love that feeling. They want to build their own perfect system from the ground up. Others just want to get their work done and close the laptop. These two tools are for opposite brains. One brain wants a high-end car that just drives. The other brain wants to build the engine from scratch in the garage. If you are an Android user, the choice is basically made for you. The polished option is not available on your phone yet. You have to decide if your time is worth more than your money. If you are already paying for separate AI subscriptions, the polished option might actually be a bargain. It combines several expensive tools into one beautiful package. But if you are the digital sovereign who refuses to pay a monthly fee for your own thoughts, the free toolkit is your winner. It comes down to choosing the friction you can live with. One has financial friction. The other has technical friction. Neither will make you a genius. You still have to do the writing. You still have to do the hard work of thinking. But choosing the right environment is half the battle. Think about how you naturally work. Do you want to spend your Sunday afternoon coding a new layout for your journal? Or do you want to spend it writing your next big idea? That is the real question. Both are top-tier tools with loyal fans, but only one will feel like home for your specific way of working. It is time to pick a side and actually start writing.